it should be like, but Jazzy told me to. We're like, yeah, you think so, but that's not how that works.
It's hard to do this holding her.
Want me to take her?
Take her a video. See, Jazz? Hey, everybody. Hey, everybody. Say, we're out here at the CDC. And we're sleepy. Jazzy's sleepy. She's had enough of this place. Probably fall asleep soon. Alright, more and more people coming. Getting bigger. I know it's hard for y'all to see. There's a lot of people over there. A lot of there's Jermaine Muhammad right there. Can't really see him because of the light. At least I can get him. There he is. There's Jermaine.
Let's hit it, man. We got 2-1 and 2. How was she?
We're gonna get some of their gear too. You want to see what all?
What team?
You gotta get the megaphone for Lily.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
I was in here. It's in your bottle at Walker.
What? I don't know where it went.
It's in your purse on the side.
Oh, sorry, everybody. There it is, Atlanta CDC. Got this out here. I don't know what you did with it.
Careful, Puppy's in the seat.
You're making this difficult. My drink's in the seat too. Video in the grass, everybody. Sorry. All right, there we go. Okay. All right. Hands free. All right. Well, there's somebody over there right by the CDC sign. Good job, buddy. I don't even know who that is. I need to meet him. There's another person. Yeah, we got more people. The corner. I know, I want to too. I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna take my sign, get my picture. I'm telling you. That's awesome. I have to do that before I go. Look at all these awesome warriors out here. All these awesome people. Got some little babies. Let's see, everybody checking it out. See, these cars are looking, guys. That's why you stand out here, because everybody's reading it. Everybody's paying attention.
Tell the truth. You need that Brother Tony energy out here now.
Should have got us one of those car wash and sign flipping people out here.
Right. Oh, yeah. Tony. You tell me he can Google Brother Tony too, and go on to YouTube. And Brother Tony did.
Y'all hit the lights over there.
Okay, I got. Y'all have me over all night on this. That's all. You don't need to be there. I look all night. The girl, your mama crazy.
Here comes all the people. Jazzy's finally. My Jazzy's had enough. We'll try to hang as long as we can. We're on every corner. Oh yeah. Hey, go start yelling from over here, Loudon.
No, I'm trying to get her.
I'm just messing with you. Uh-huh. She'll be out in a minute. Yeah, that's right.
CDC, tell the truth. 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 Peanut Dr. Thompson.
You'll be the only one over here. Silence! Hey!
Peanut Dr. Thompson. Peanut Dr. Thompson. Peanut Dr. Thompson. Vaccines are not safe.
We need like 20 megaphones for that one.
Vaccines are not safe.
Vaccines are not safe. Yeah, is he laughing?
Vaccines are not safe. 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 Peanut Dr. Thompson.
I know, it feels great today. We're right in the perfect spot, too.
Subpoena Dr. Thompson.
Subpoena Dr. Thompson! CDC, tell the truth! CDC, tell the truth! CDC, tell the truth! CDC, tell the truth! CDC, tell the truth!
Stop harming our babies!
Stop harming our babies! We need a lot more people out here. There we go. There we go. What's up, y'all? Hey, helicopter. We right here. We right here. Dr. Thompson. Subpoena Dr. Thompson. Lolin, look up. Stop harming our babies! No more injury! No more mercury! No more mercury! No more mercury! We had a helicopter right over our head.
You
They got the helicopter. Stop killing our babies! Stop killing our babies! Stop killing our babies! Stop killing our babies! CDC, tell the truth! CDC, tell the truth!
Tell the truth!
CDC, tell the truth!
CDC, tell the truth!
CDC, tell the truth! Subpoena Dr. Thompson! Subpoena Dr. Thompson! Subpoena Dr. Thompson! Subpoena Dr. Thompson! CDC, tell the truth! CDC, tell the truth! CDC, tell the truth! Subpoena Dr. Thompson!
Dr. Thompson! We want Dr. Thompson! We want Dr. Thompson! Subpoena Dr. Thompson!
CDC, tell the truth!
CDC, tell the truth.
CDC, tell the truth! Stop killing our babies! Stop killing our babies! Yeah, of course, they can video it all they want. They ain't gonna put it nowhere.
You didn't see none of Italy on the news, did you?
Nope.
Well, I don't really watch it, but I ask other people.
I know. I don't even know if I get the news.
I don't watch it. But I know somebody that does. I said, have you seen anything about Italy with vaccinations and protests? They said, no. That's my mom, so she's in town.
Can't hear them no more. The damn helicopter's so close, can't hear nothing. Helicopter's drowning it out. Go away! Unless you put this on the news and then come on.
Might break somebody up.
CDC, tell the truth! 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 Subpoena Dr. Thompson! Subpoena Dr. Thompson! Subpoena Dr. Thompson! The sun is so bright. They're just circling over and over and over. Y'all need a shot of my sign? Y'all want to zoom in? Right? CDC, tell the truth! CDC, tell the truth! CDC, tell the truth! Helicopter's making it hard to hear. It's right over my head. CDC, tell the truth! 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 Stop harming our babies! Stop harming our babies! Stop harming our babies! No more mercury! No more mercury! No more mercury! No more formaldehyde! No more formaldehyde!
I'm gonna stay with her.
Well, and if you prop it back, she may go to sleep. Like prop it, like try to get the wheels propped up on your leg where she can lay back some. You know what I'm saying? I think it's about 10 o'clock out here. We got a news chopper up there. Yeah, we'll make it to the news, but he's up there.
They don't know the house in the feet of
Oh, I know. Oh, I know. Oh, they were born that way. Yeah. I know.
Yeah, because one lady said that they told her that it was genetic, it was hereditary. And she said, oh my God, how did I do this to my child? She felt so bad because they had been telling her that it was hereditary and it was genetic. That she went in and it was hereditary and then found out that that wasn't even the case.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
And she went that home.
Now, you know, and then they used to do it where they flip the switch, 18, 15, 18 months old. Now you see it happening where they're born this way. That's because we're giving pregnant women flu shots and Tdabs all the time.
Yeah, because they said when I was pregnant with my daughter, she said, they were saying, you can't take the injection by vein. I think they said they told me, I don't think I can take what's a nasal one in my nose. I said, I don't want the one by vein or in my nose. I said, I ain't never took I took it one time back in the 90s, and I got sick as a dog, and I never took it again because I knew they injected me with some poison.
Yep.
And I said, never again. And when my grandma was sick in gas for like 3 years, and they always wanted me to give her the vaccine. And then she got
I get a little zealous. I have a little OCD. I had a moment. Scary stuff, ain't it?
it is.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, well, I got a Tdap when I was pregnant with her at 26 weeks, and then in about 2 weeks, she got her 15-month shots, and she's on Neupogen now, injections every 3 days for her immune system. They've completely wiped it out. They turned her immune system on itself. If her body makes white blood cells, it just turns around and attacks them. So we have to keep boosting her up and boosting her up to have an immune system.
How old is she now?
She's 3.5. And it started at 15 months. We still have to give her shots every other day. So it's indefinite, you know. And we live in Alabama. We drove out here last night. We'll come as many times as it takes, so there's a difference, you know. And that's my radio show. We do a radio show every Monday, 3 hours radio show on the topic. So, and you can find me on Facebook, Lynette Marie Barron. I'm friends with Jermaine.
Talk about
Only vaccines and vaccine damage. That's all we talk about. That's it. Covering stories, that's right. We've had Dr. Suzanne and all kinds of people on, you know, just covering people's stories and telling the facts, you know.
How do I get to it?
If you go on Facebook, you can punch in Forsaken Generation Radio Show.
Forsaken Generation.
Yes, ma'am. What a crazy day. And that's my youngest and my oldest. My youngest has autism. She's my little sweetie. But, yep. Some awesome people out here. Appreciate you guys all doing this. Keep showing up as long as it takes, you know? At least they can see us. Let's hope they do something with the footage. They usually don't.
Maybe that 30-second pass.
I know it. And they'll say there was 2 people out there.
They mentioned it.
Yeah.
So there's one corner.
Yep.
Subpoena Dr. Thompson.
Subpoena Dr. Thompson. Subpoena Dr. Thompson. Subpoena Dr. Thompson.
Subpoena Dr. Thompson.
Stop killing our babies. Amen. Shut down the CDC. Amen. We need to ask them if we could borrow that. I got a message to spread, people. Well, if you weren't able to be here today, I hope my little live feed has helped you see what it's like. Helicopter and us people who decided to be able to come out. Some parents is Miss Suzette, my buddy Miss Suzette Williams over there. More of our warriors. Oh man, that was funny. I'm trying not to kill my battery out, but at the same time, I know a lot of y'all can't be here, so I'm trying to go show y'all a little bit. The helicopter's seriously, steadily just circling us over and over and over again. So, I'm smiling. Look at Jasmine. Jazzy's having a good time out here. All right, here's more cars. We'll show them our sign. Oh, dang, girl. She got crazy with her sign. She wasn't playing.
Look at your sign.
Hey, I got OCD, buddy. I can't help myself.
I like that wheel.
Thank you.
I was telling him about that oil with that little boy at Thanksgiving. We gave him some, and it was a pure pico. Just a tiny, tiny, tiny drop of it on a spoon, and she gave it to him, and hasn't had a seizure since.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, see, and I know.
And he was having anywhere from 2 to 6 seizures, sometimes grand mal seizures in that day.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh man.
And she said, no, none, zilch. That was Thanksgiving.